Welcome back, guys, to Plant with Us. Today I'm just gonna show you what I've done so far in this small, I think it's about 10 by 5, 10 by 6 meter space that I have. I planted some um, vegetables and I've harvested a lot, and I'll see. I try to turn this space into a profitable small vegetable garden, so that I can have a return on my investment and my time. Uh, yeah, for so far we've I've done a lot. Actually, I planted mushroom, Swiss chard. I planted um, lettuce. Um, we have uh, we have peppermint. Um, yeah, but let's see what I've got. And please comment down below, like, subscribe, and do all the beautiful things. Here we have. I have this cauliflower planted. I think 2 months ago. I'm still waiting for the actual um, vegetable to produce a head. As you see, the plants, they don't look too miserable. Sometimes just from those yellow leaves comes out. I think it's at the bottom. Um, it can be for, because that happens is, I think it's too much water. Either too much water, or it's not enough not enough nutrients. But they coming along. You see, there's another yellow leaf. You can just take it out like that. Yellow leaves. Here I have a beautiful cabbage plant. Cabbage, two cabbages. See this? I think it is. I don't know. I will see. I'm trying just to water them maybe now 2 times a week, because they are in plastic bags, and it will keep the moisture. And on top I have some mulch to retain the moisture. So I'm reducing the level of watering, and because it is winter, the soil, it it keeps wet actually. So yeah, I'm just reducing the water, and we'll see. I will see in a couple of maybe a week or two how the cauliflower and the cabbage performs. Like here we have I recently transplanted these mushroom Swiss chard, mushroom Swiss chard. Now let's move on. Let's move on and move on. Here we have a lot of cabbage, but I am not satisfied about these ones, because they have been eaten by um, uh, as either the birds that we have here got eaten, so it's not growing like it's supposed to. It's small, really small. As you can see here, look there, all the leaves. So I think I will just remove all of them and plant something else. But I will remove uh, I will remove the bags also, and I will make a bed. Yeah, I will make a bed and plant, I think, cucumbers for the summer. Cucumbers. So if I can get the bed ready in maybe in 2 or 3 weeks time, I can begin cucumber plant seedlings and plant cucumber seeds maybe in September, mid-September. Like this bed here, this bed I did yesterday. What I did was compact it with soil, and I mixed in scrap vegetables in the soil. So now I will leave it for about 2 or 3 weeks, just to get the soil a bit of nutrients. Then I will dress it with a mulch on top, and then I will see what I can plant. Yeah, I think maybe spring onions. I will plant spring onions or tomatoes. Yeah, but that I will figure out in maybe 3 weeks time. Here we have beetroot. I'm gonna remove all this beetroot also. Everything the side must get removed. The beetroot, the tomatoes, the lettuce. Here we have fennel. As you can see here, we have fennel here. Yeah, I want to remove everything here, and here must be a bed also. But that I will figure out um, in September. No, sorry, I will do that August. August. Everything must be gone the side also. Um, yeah, because I want to only have beds. This whole place, I need to have beds so I can plant more. Because the tires, they work in a way, but it's not actually a good idea for me to save space. Right, so there we have, I did these bags, I think it's about 10. I planted 2 days ago. I planted cauliflower seeds. So they will germinate in around 7 to 15 days. 7 to 15 days, the cauliflower seeds will uh, germinate like these ones here. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but here, that's cauliflower. There's been, let me just get this on top here. It's cauliflower plants. Here we have also spinach, like they call it. It's Swiss chard. A few Swiss chards. I already had some. I picked some Swiss chards a few days ago. But as you can see, they have looked a bit yellow, pale. That's also because maybe it's too much watering. Then here we have um, another cabbage, and this is also mushroom Swiss chard in these bags. Yeah, I've mushroom Swiss chard transplanted these ones uh, 4 days ago. Yeah, we'll see how they go. And this side, this bed is just also this Swiss chard. And this piece here, I plan to put on lettuce seeds. What I did also, I have put in some scrap vegetables, put it in the soil, and leave it here for 2-3 weeks. Then I will plant um, the lettuce seeds. Or I think I could, because I have lettuce seedlings. I have lettuce seedlings that is about 3-4 days old. But I will wait with the lettuce seedlings is 4 weeks old. Then I will transplant them into this piece of bed, the small one. This side here, the side here, I have lettuce. I have lettuce. These all lettuce in Swiss chard. Lettuce, Swiss chard. This is Swiss chard that I must thin out. This is all lettuce, as you can see. Yeah, but like I said, I want to have average 5 or 6 beds. 5 or 6 beds. I want to plant lettuce, Swiss chard, tomatoes, spring onions, cucumbers. Um, I will see what other seeds I can plant and take it from there. Yeah, in cauliflower. I still have enough cauliflower. I have enough cabbage seeds. Um, this is another one. Like, let me show you here. There's also lettuce. All my lettuce. All my lettuce. This one I must get rid of because see the top. I think it's because it bolted. So the mid stem is going upwards, and that is because I think is the weather, or um, it is because overwatering. But this one I think I need to get rid of because the leaves will taste bitter. There's another one, lettuce seed, a lettuce plant, and then we have tomatoes. There's tomatoes I want to remove also. Like I said, I want to remove them. I've harvested more than enough, tomatoes throughout the year already. You can see they are really nice and big. They are nice and big tomatoes. Let's take another one. On this side we have, like I said, lettuce seeds that I planted. Lettuce seeds. My lettuce seeds. A lot of lettuce seedlings. That seedlings, when they are old enough, 3 to 4 weeks, I will transplant them into one of my beds. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm just going along, do what I can, and hopefully I will see some better results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.